check out the BBBs right here, the big beastly bars. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins, shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. What's the go?
What's the go? We got some industrial bars almost. So they're not the biggest we've had. We've had the 1,000 ounce and the 15 kilos.
Yep.
But these are the younger brothers. So we've got the 5 kilo bars and the 10 kilo bars.
Fantastic. And
The big advantage of these things is they go not at spot, but they're not a great deal over spot. The premiums are lower when you get to the bigger sizes.
absolutely not a problem. And if you want to know more about that, we're doing an educational series about, bars and premium and bars versus coins and things like that. So subscribe to the channel for our How to Invest in Gold series, and we'll talk about the size differences and the benefits. But what you want to check out is the branding.
Try that one. It's a bit clearer.
There you go. Good point. No, that's a fair point. It's and you guys know it, or a lot of you do, the Intrinsic Tender XAG brand. First time, I think this is the first run as well.
This is the first run of their bigger beastie bars.
The bigger beast, the triple Bs. We'll call them the triple Bs.
The triple Bs.
The triple
right.
Bs. So really glad to have Intrinsic Tender come on board with larger bars, because they do the smaller stuff, and particularly the stuff earlier on in their history. They sell for like 1 ounce coins, sell on the secondary market for like $1,500 and things like that. All those real.
These are not going to do that. Well,
So-
I don't think so.
No, but it's good to see them into the industrial silver market. What else do they need to know?
The only thing I'd probably say is if you're wanting any shipped out, just be aware that we're going to have to do customised quotes, because once you go over 5 kilos, you'll find our website doesn't calculate shipping for good reason, because it starts to depend on A, how big, but B, where we're shipping it to exactly. So if it comes up with can't give you the shipping quote, don't stress. You can make the order, we'll get back to you with the shipping quote, or you can ask us beforehand, whichever way you want to go.
Choose free storage or ready for pickup, and then we'll just send you the shipping charge.
Yeah.
Cool, beautiful. All right, so Intrinsic Tender, BBBs, big, beautiful, whatever it was, I don't know, big beastly bars, something like that. The 5 kilo brand. Let's pick either one up, actually. Come on, because we want.
So that's your 5. That's how thick
That's
it
your
is.
5 kilo. Yep, beautiful.
I love the back of these things.
Yeah, I love that. That's cool, isn't
I
it?
love that about the industrial bars.
What's that?
The swirling in that one. So these are hand poured. So you get all sorts of oddities, because they're industrial bars. They don't polish them up. They don't make them look nice.
Right.
So you get these almost handcrafted. Oh, good grief! Almost handcrafted look about it.
Yeah, I love that. Check that out.
And they're just.
That's cool. What's that an artifact of? Like, what's that why is it bubbling on the back?
Oh, it traps air underneath in the mould, because they're just tipped in. It's kind of like froth on the top of your milk.
Oh, there you go.
So, but this is on the bottom, not the top.
And like a snowflake, each one is unique, or a fingerprint.
Incredibly unique.
Yeah.
And they'll have, you look at that one, it's probably, like, while it's been cooling, it's been dropped or something, so you've got a knock mark on it. Or,
Oh, wow, there you go.
I don't exactly know what it is. It might be something completely different.
It won't change the weight of it. But...
No, but it just adds to the character of it.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's getting too heavy.
All right, get your BBBs at BN.
It's getting a bit corny.
No. Get your industrial silver XAG 5 kilo and 10 kilo bars. The first run of those at bullionnow.com.au. Of course, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.